straps, I'm causing havoc. If you want a beat, you can have it. You don't send a fake, you gon' see your fucking earth. Man, I took a break, nigga, I keep backing. We in the crib, we up the Zaza and we spazzing. Brody talking shit, we ran up and took a fraction. He was talking shit, but now his brain is fucking lagging. Bitch, I'm off the do say, so I'm pulling up. I ain't eat no food, I felt my tummy off this double cup. She said she wants slots, said bring a friend, no we can double up. She jumping on it, if she doing tricks, I made the double. He said he gon' slide, I told him to run up. He said he gon' slide, I said run up and get done up. Swear he bout a bag, but he only put his ones up. Brody said that he gon' shoot me, but put your ones up. I'll show you that I'm about a bag, I stack a ton up. If you really wanna shoot about it, I'll put drums up. Adding and subtracting all these comments, bitch I sum up. This is how my mama told me, sit down to the come up. If he want beef, he can have it. Roll up with them Apex straps, I'm causing havoc. If you want a beat, you can have it. You don't send a fake, you gon' see your fucking address. Heard he looking for a pack, then he should tap in. Didn't have a lighter, so my niggas struck the match.